Welcome back to part 4, and now we're going to discuss how to change the solenoid on your sprinkler valve. You figured out that the solenoid is the problem. Let me tell you how you're going to fix that. First thing you're going to do is you're going to turn off water. Then you're going to find out which wires it's connected to, and you're going to disconnect those wires. Next, this solenoid right here spins out. If you rotate it out, you can take it all the way out. It's just threaded. You take it to Home Depot, you can get a matching piece. When you get back home, all you do, screw it back down, and the wires you took off, you're gonna reland the new wires, and pop, pop, you've done fixed this sprinkler yourself. You like to save money? So do I. Subscribe for more tips.